Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Wix website. This is essential if you're running an online store or planning to sell anything directly through your site. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you to an overview of all the sites connected to your account. Now you'll see all the websites you have on your Wix account displayed in front of you. Take a moment to look for the specific website where you want to add your products. Once you've found it, locate the Edit Site button, which is typically positioned beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor, which is the main workspace where all your customization and design takes place. This is where the magic happens, so familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. From here, locate the plus Add Element menu on the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to open the element selection panel. Once it's open, scroll right through the options until you reach the Apps section. Within the Apps section, you'll see a search bar. Use this search bar and type in Wix Stores. This will pull up the app you need to enable product functionality on your site. From the Wix Stores page, you'll see a product overview. This feature is an optional function on Wix that enables the store function within your site elements. Do note that the button you see might look slightly different depending on your account setup. If you wish to install this feature, click the Agree and Add button on the lower right corner of your screen. Now wait for the initialization of the app. It might take a little while for everything to install and configure properly, so be patient during this step. Once the installation has finished, head back again to the plus Add Element menu on the top left corner of your screen. From here, you will now see the new Stores menu added to your options. This menu will automatically add a new page to your website. Click on the page drop-down and select the category page. This is where your products will be organized and displayed. Now to edit and add your product, simply click on the Manage Categories button located at the top part of your screen. A list of items will be presented to you. Click on Edit to begin customizing. Scroll down to the Products section and hover your cursor over each product. You'll see an Edit Product button appear. Click on it to open the product editor. Here's where you can get specific with each item. List the name of your item and add a detailed description that helps customers understand what you're offering. Scroll down to add pictures, which are crucial for showcasing your product visually. You can also add product options such as colors and sizes, along with all the other needed configurations for your item or store. Once you're done with the customization, click on Save. This ensures all your changes are stored and your product is now live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added products to your Wix website, giving you the ability to start selling directly to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.